Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about we are writing a model essay number 6. As you know, this is discuss both sides essay and give your opinion essay. And this is essay writing course in particular for IELTS and TOEFL essays, in general for any kind of essay. This is part 3 of model essay 6. Please subscribe to my channel and look at description box for links to my Facebook groups and press bell icon, share with other students also. And as you know, this is an overview of my course, writing course. You can pause the video, you can watch how is the overview of my course. This is complete general videos, assessment criteria, and we are discuss both sides and give your opinion essay. Then I will teach you all kind of these essays. I would write more than 15 model essays in my course. Open playlist of my channel, watch complete course in order. The link is given below in the description box. As you know, I was writing my last my model essay for discuss both sides and give your opinion. There was some issue with my software, so the video was interrupted, and I am going to uh, complete the video. We have already written the essay, and were just going to proofread. We should I have already told you what you need to see in your proofreading, what are your common mistakes. So let us proofread. You should have at least 3 to 5 minutes at the end in your IELTS and 2 to 3 minutes in TOEFL exam to proofread your essay for common mistakes. As in your real exam you would do this fast, and you should not waste your time, but in here, just to teach you, I would go slow. Trains have become the fastest and modern mode of public transport in this era. That is okay. While some agree in favor of government, there is many people make mistakes. They like this government, like they write in this way, government. This is wrong. You should put an also government spending on new and fast railways. I side with those who think that improvements should be made to the already existing public transport infrastructure. Look at the spelling of infrastructure. This is very important. This is correct, but you should keep in mind. On one hand, it could be argued they say I am using distancing here. If you don't know what is distancing, go to playlist of my channel, and in grammar course there is distancing. Distancing when we use to give others opinion, not my opinion, to distance myself from others opinion. It could be argued that investment on railway infrastructure should be allocated to new high speed links between cities. High speed links, because this is compound adjective, we use a hyphen. There is a complete video on use of hyphen. Advocates of this view believe that bullet trains represent the most modern and the fastest method of public transport within or between cities, as everyone cannot afford to fly as it is expensive. That is fine, there is no problem here. Therefore, constructing, we are using a gerund here. They constructing new railway lines for very fast trains is don't use here are, because we are using here trains. We don't need to use here are because the subject of this verb is gerund. This is gerund, this is subject of this verb, so we have to use singular verb after gerund. When we use gerund as a subject, we use singular verb. Go to the playlist of my channel. In my grammar course there is complete video on gerunds and infinitives, and there are grammar rules also. It would be very helpful for them. Is the best and most effective way of traveling in a short time. Secondly, they argue that this is the most innovative and modern way to travel. Spending money on research and development of this system will bring many benefits, a lot of benefits, you can also say. Not only, as I have already told you, this is after not only but also, when used as a concession, we need to use inversion with not only. Not only is this a source of pride for a nation, it also implies scientists and engineers, hence creates jobs for them. This is beneficial for the country's scientific advancement in the long run. On the other hand, I side with those who believe in allocating financial resources for the betterment of already present public transport. Firstly, I believe, here I have to use the main reason because this is a specific reason. The main reason is the economy. As building new railway lines are expensive. This is error here. This is an error we have to use is, because the subject of this verb is not lines, not railway lines. The subject of this verb is this gerund. So when gerund is used as subject, we use singular verb. So go, if you don't know these rules, go to playlist of my channel, and in the grammar course there is a complete video on gerund and infinitives. The same amount of money can improve the existing infrastructure on a massive scale. That is fine. This will bring benefits to a lot of people, allowing them to travel further for work opportunities. In turn, both the local and national economies will be boosted. That is fine. Secondly, fast trains can only benefit people of large cities. That is okay. People of small cities also have rights, so spending on already existing public transport will create a sense of equality and well-being among those people also. As a consequence, growth will be uniform across the nation. That is fine. Preventing a wage gap between the urban centers and rural locations. This one is not very good. If you can change, you should change. In conclusion, even though, as we know, although is one word, but even though is not a one word. Even though is two words. Even though we will separate them. Even though, now it is correct. We can interchange even though and although as the same with the same meaning, same purpose. So if you use even though, it is a bit more sophisticated instead of although uses, every student uses although. If you use even though, it would be a bit different from others. In conclusion, even though spending money on construction of railway lines for very fast trains is innovative, spending the same money on improving existing infrastructure is economical and beneficial for more people. Therefore, I believe investing in the improvement of the current transportation is a better option. Of course, that is fine. I have proofreaded. So please get feedback from any IELTS expert before taking your final exam on your writing, especially because you yourself cannot spot out your mistakes. The IELTS expert or teacher would spot out your mistake. I am not just telling that you should avail my service. You can take you can get a feedback from any IELTS expert. I would start my correctional service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would hire an IELTS expert from UK, a native English teacher. We would both work together to improve your advanced to provide you advanced comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. You can send me a message, you can send me a friend request, you can ask me any question. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. But also join Facebook group and for any posts and for any new information I will post there. And at the end, I would suggest you please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon. This one is bell icon. Press this one and subscribe to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. My vocabulary and grammar course is already on my channel. So I am nowadays working on writing. So please subscribe and press bell icon to encourage me to get more courses on writing and every subject. So this is the end of video. Please subscribe and let us move to the next video.